Well, guys, we are fixing to go to the store. We're going to try to find a present for my cousin, my brother-in-law. It is very hard to find. You coming, babe? It is very hard to find something. And to be honest, I know it's probably very hard to find me something, so. But we are going. Oh, man.
Bring your mask?
Huh?
Did you bring a mask just in case?
Probably not. We probably will need one, won't we?
Don't know.
All right, let me go back in. You want to hold this real quick? Hold this real quick.
I already got a mask.
Huh?
I already got a mask.
Oh, well, I didn't know if you had one or not. These crazy. I like these masks, guys. Hey, look at me. Really? Can you see me?
Yes.
You can? Is it up close?
Mm-hmm.
All right. I don't even know how the vision really is, because I mean, until you actually watch the video. But guys, these masks are my favorite, because they've got the little stretchy part in the back, you know, and they've got the little wire pieces here.
You know what?
What?
It's hot in here.
Okay, we'll get going.
And you want to try to explain a mask?
No, I'm serious.
Why does
It's
it
like,
keep going off like that?
I don't know. No, I'm serious. It's I like the masks that have the tie on the back, because you can adjust it to whatever you need. All right, guys, we're gonna head to probably Harbor Freight. We're gonna head to Harbor Freight and see what they have. So, see you there. All right, peoples, we got one. We got it.
Let's go.
All right.
I gotta pee.
I'll have to, oh my goodness. You gotta pee?
Mm-hmm.
Don't you hate these things?
And I need
Guys, I freaking hate these things. I mean, I like this because it's a lot easier, but seriously. Oh my goodness.
I don't like it tight. It's too tight on my face.
No, this is
like that.
I like it like that a little bit, so it won't move. Huh?
I don't, because I take it off and on all the time.
Ugh, it's ridiculous, that's for sure. All right, guys, we are heading to where? Dollar General? McDonald's. She wants a frappe. I probably won't get one. I'm not that thirsty or hungry, actually. So we're probably just going to.
If the line's bad, I ain't gonna go.
Huh?
If the line's bad, I ain't gonna go. But because I gotta pee.
Well, anyways, we're gonna go and get a frappe, and I guess go on home for a little while until we go over to Dad's house. We got 30 minutes. Might as well just go on to Dad's house, right?
Yes.
All right, well, we'll see you later, guys. We're waiting on Shawn and Rachel right now. And so I'm gonna have to go and look at my videos right now. But anyways, we're just waiting. Dad's working. Got a lot of paperwork.
Always have a lot of paperwork.
You know, Dad, I can almost make like an advertisement thing. Granted, you can put it on Facebook or something. You could be like, hello. Alright guys, we're waiting on Rachel and Shawn right now. They should be coming around 6 or so, right? Should be. So I got about 15 minutes, so. Anyways, alright. Right, people, we are at Greasy Steakhouse. We're fixing to go eat. So, oof. Come on, Harmony. Come on. What's aggravating? Oh, your packages? Yeah, guys, we didn't get our packages. Part of them, at least. And so we're gonna have to figure out that. She didn't get some of her packages. Frowny face. But we're fixing.
A lot of money, Ben.
I know. I hate it when you have to.
Cheap.
I know. I hope I don't have to wear no mask. Hey, John. Hey, Bear.
What out?
Player. Player. What you doing, boy?
Where's the pump in the tank?
You gotta drop that super tank.
I had to do that on source.
Smile.
And I didn't go out immediately though. It just when mine was going out, it would get hot. It would pump and get hot, and as it got hot, it would pump less. So your speed would go down, 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 down. Finally, enough you had to sit on the side of the road.
Hey,
and go down.
am I in
Take
it?
off, and give you down
Yep.
to
Am I in it?
35 to 30 to 45.
My
That's
what?
about how mine did today. I mean, you could start it and it would sit there and spit and sputter
Oh,
about
really?
a little bit. and then it
Really? Wow. We're Grecian, guys. We're at Grecian eating steak.
Had the car been run much when you bought it, or it hadn't been set like it's a tank maybe got debris in it, and you pumped it up through the filter?
I don't know.
Oh crap.
Yeah.
No.
I'm sure.
Bear.
Got to be the pump or filter.
I know it's set for like the last 2 years.
Hey, Blair.
It was running fine.
You got your piece of wet? You got your piece of wet?
Black power.
Yeah, you tell him. You tell him.
I wouldn't have exhaust.
You tell him.
I'm blood.
What'd you put on?
Oh.
I just had 2 glass packs put on it and it ran out.
You going there?
You gonna have him drive up? Guys, it's still pouring.
Come get me. Come get me.
Come get me. That's like pouring all the way down there.
No, come get me.
I don't want to get my new shoes wet.
Oh, we're gonna have to ride out in it. Shawn might have an opportunity to get in the car.
I'm not putting my shoes on. I just bought these shoes.
It's wet.
Oh God, as far as I go.
I know, I just bought these.
It's raining.
I'm going to walk barefoot than to walking down.
You'd be soaked. You'd be totally soaked if you run from here to there.
Yeah, you would.
Tell Rachel she's closer. Come get out of the car.
She's all the way down there.
Get Mark's car first, and then she can go back and get your car.
Oh well.
I don't have no umbrella in the car either.
Well, we're gonna have to run, I guess. We're gonna have to run, I guess.
Adios.
You get down there, you're gonna be soaked.
I know. Oh man. We're gonna have to get to it somehow.
It's gonna quit the sunshine.
It starts recording. It's recording. So we're here.
Memories it have.
It has, I think it's 64. I think it's a 64 gig. I don't know for sure. Microchip. But I like this better. I like this GoPro better because it's a lot better than my phone. My phone, I can only store up to like 10 minutes worth of video, and I've already stored up to at least 30 tonight. So I'll be able to pick and choose between. I'm gonna try to not go over. I'm gonna try to stay at like right at 15 to 20 minutes per video. So anyways, guys, we got presents here. Shawn's birthday and my birthday. So, but we're going to open these here in just a minute. I've got Shawn's here. Makeshift packaging here. You guys already know what it is. You guys already know what it is. But it looks good enough. Jeez. Roxy. Hey, Roxy. How you doing, baby? What you doing, Roxy? Oh, you like it? Yes, you do. Mom, we had Roxy. Oh, she's a good dog. But anyways, we're at Dad's house right now. Put these on YouTube.
What?
Nothing. We're waiting for Shawn and Rachel. Oh, I'm sure.
I wonder, I was looking to see, well, it looks like they've even maybe sawed it. See right there, you got the marks in it?
Yeah, it looks like they did a little bit.
That took some sawing, man.
It does look like they kind of sawed it. Guys, this is what Shawn and Rachel got me for Christmas, birthday, sorry.
Yeah.
But I've been needing one. This is definitely a good one to start with. What's that?
They blew the hose out the George.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one I've got is just the one I'm gonna use is probably just the bottom piece of this.
I bet that thing weighs probably 30 pounds.
Think so?
I'm close to it, at least.
Huh. That's crazy. Yeah, I could nail it down. I mean, what do you think I could nail it down to?
I'd put bolts in.
Bolts?
Yeah,
Like into like some 2x4s or something, or?
What, you got a table you're gonna use?
Not yet. No, I don't have no table.
Dad has his on a stump.
Yeah, but I don't have no stump.
Not that big around.
If I could get a stump,
Not that big.
if I could get a stump,
Stump.
that's what I would use. But I don't have no stump. That's kind of cool. That's cool. Thank you.
Happy birthday.
I definitely will use that a lot more than my other one. That's neat. Because I'm just going to be using it for small things. Like if I ever get into it later on.
Yeah.
I'm planning on finishing it. I'm planning on finishing it tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, I'm planning on finishing it tomorrow. And then,
I wonder why they were selling it.
yeah, I wonder
He
why.
had a whole bunch of like antique tin barrels and pails and all kinds of stuff like that.
Like washboards.
Yeah,
You may have got it at a clean out yard sale or something.
yeah.
Hmm.
There's a tin
Probably some
watering
old man
can.
had this, passed away.
Yeah.
All of his stuff went somewhere. Now they're
Probably
selling it
at
at a
an
yard
estate
sale.
sale or
Yeah.
something.
That's crazy. Because isn't it railroad tie
Yeah.
Yeah.
that's been hammered out?
Yep.
That is cool. Yeah, I was like, because I've been looking for one, and you can't find them.
Yeah, you won't wear it out.
Get her to hug the big old bear. She didn't like it. Like, I don't want that thing. She didn't like it very well.
It's nice. That's very nice. Thank you.
Daddy not put it in your present?
No, he's gonna go to Harbor Freight and see if we can find you anything for it.
Well,
We just happened to be there today, and Sean's like, they have an Anvil.
really?
Yeah.
Well, see, at Harbor Freight, they've got a $15 one, and I was like, eh. Because you could almost pick it up, with your hand. It was
So it's real small.
really small. Yeah. I seen that one. And I came close to buying it, but I was like, ah. But that right there, that's what I need. Thank you. That's cool. That is cool. I did not think that was what I was gonna get. I'm serious.
See, not cool.
That's cool. Thank you.
What was that, or Hawaiian shirt? I mean.
Well, no, I prefer that. But anyways. Anyways, we got these gifts now.
Which ones are who's going first?
Yep.
You want to open there,
Shawn,
and I'll let y'all
You're
open them there
next.
together.
go ahead. That's yours. That's. Open up your Hawaiian shirt.
I don't know why Ben thought you were into the polka dots, but
Look, Blair. Blair.
Cool.
he insisted. Tear it.
Tear it, Blair.
Tear it. Pick it. There you go. Good job. Good job. Ooh, work at it, girl. I didn't need a knife.
He's like, let me stick my hand in there. Tickle, tickle, tickle. Watch it, girl. There you go. Now open it up.
Oh, whiteboard.
I thought maybe if you that it had to come with that. Like
You had to buy that.
you had to buy that separately.
Yeah, put it on the Ranger.
Yeah. I was thinking you could put it on
You know,
something.
I seen something just now. I
That's
thought of
pretty
this.
cool.
The other night I
Thanks.
went into it was Sunday night. I'd worked out here in the office, and I was going out to Dad.
Yeah. All right, I gotta figure out what I'm got now.
Careful, Blair.
What is this? Metal detector.
That didn't take long to figure out.
Well, you gotta open the box to make sure that's what's in it. Remember.
Okay.
You don't want to be down
wrong?
there. Come here. Come here. Hey, look, looky.
That is neat.
You're over the dog.
Thank you, Dad. Something fell. Something fell.
Where'd you find a metal detector
At
Harbor Freight.
Harbor
Freight.
Michelle's new favorite store, isn't it?
Well,
You find the coolest
Yeah.
things there.
he needs one because he's got to go find that steak out there. The farmer plowed over.
Yes, I didn't think about that. I do have to find a stake. There's this my property line stake.
Okay.
You just you just tap it.
You'll be alright.
But the stake out there, my property line. Yeah, I'm gonna have to put it together. My property line, the stake got overturned.
How you gonna know where to put it?
Well, we kind of have an idea where it was at, but we don't know for sure.
Take batteries or?
Probably. How's it go together now?
I think it probably just.
That's backwards, I know.
like
Maybe
this.
try reading the instructions.
You gotta have something because it'll fall out.
It's probably that.
No.
Isn't there like this?
Oh, okay.
We're gonna need something all the way out, ain't you?
Yeah, I probably will. That's neat. I don't have one.
I ain't got one either.
You can't.
I don't know where to put one.
do?
She dropped something in there, now she's trying to get it.
Like her arm's gonna be that long.
She's like, I don't understand. Why can't I get it? I stick my arm down there. You're silly.
Trying to see if it tightens up.
All right. Anyway, guys.
See if it takes batteries.
Well, that's a
Huh?
charging port.
Okay.
Huh?
All right. I think
For your ear.
I'm gonna end it here because yeah. I'm gonna end it here, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm thinking about making, doing my.
That's the whole pack.
I'm thinking about. Yeah. I'm thinking about creating my forge, trying to finish it out tomorrow, and so I'm hoping that I'll have what I need to do that. Plus, I probably need to go to Lowe's, but that's my plans for tomorrow. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.
You might need to recreate that video.
20.
Not good.
Yeah, can't do it for 20. I might have to go to 30. I'm on a time crunch. Give me 1 second. Cash always talks in this business. You're at 30. I was at 20. I can't
Blair.
I'm at 25 in cash.
Well, I know I can
Here you
do
go,
this,
sir.
and they're pretty easy. It's pretty much just
Take the car and leave
you
right
have to find the pin.
We can leave right now.
Yeah,
You want to jump in and leave? Yeah. Your T-tops off. You gotta stay home.
Yeah. Just something to be able to hold it with.
You got a deal. Awesome. I bought it for $5 grand. So I paid $20,000.
Hey, Ben.
Yeah.
You wait till you see what
Hi.
happens.
Hi. What you doing? What you doing? Auto exposure. What the heck is that? Are you videoing? You got my camera. You got my camera.
It's like I like the flash.
I know. It's a fresh and red light. Huh? Come on. Come on. Come this way. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Here, I'll hold you. I'll hold you. Come on.
Come on.
There we go. Good.
Hey, good job. Good job.
Okay.
Good job. I know you like my